If you want to add urgency to your store and encourage more customers to complete their purchases, Flash Countdown Timer is a completely free app that lets you add customizable countdown timers to your Shopify store with no code needed. Let me walk you through how easy it is to get started and create a countdown timer that fits your store. Once the app is installed, you will see a simple setup guide to help you get started. To begin, open your theme editor and add the countdown timer app block to your store. This is where everything will be set up and customized. If you're coming from the setup guide, clicking Open Theme Editor will take you straight there. You can also access it anytime by going to the online store, then Themes, and clicking Edit Theme. From here, choose where you want to place your countdown timer. Most commonly, this would be on your homepage, product pages, collection pages, or even custom landing pages. Once you're on the page, click Add Block, go to Apps, and select Countdown Timer. As soon as you add it, the timer will appear on your page, so you can preview everything live as you set it up. From here, you can start customizing the timer from top to bottom. Start by adding your heading and subtitle. This is where you can introduce your promotion, highlight your offer, or add extra context for your customers. Next, choose the timer type based on your promotion. You can use a fixed end date and time for one-time sales, set fixed minutes per visitor to create urgency for each shopper, or use a daily recurring window if you want the countdown to repeat on specific days and during certain hours. Once you have selected your timer type, you can set the details such as the end date, time, and time zone so the countdown follows the exact schedule you want. After that, you can customize the labels for days, hours, minutes, and seconds, and set the message that appears once the countdown ends. Now that the main setup is done, you can choose a style that matches your store. Flash Countdown Timer comes with 8 built-in styles such as minimal layout, card style, colorful gradients, flip clock timers, and more, so you can easily find one that fits your design. Once you have selected the style, you can adjust the alignment and choose whether the contents are left aligned, centered, or right aligned within your layout. Now, you may want to guide your customers to take action by adding a button. No worries, since you can enable the call to action button, customize its label, and choose where it links to, whether it is a product, a collection, or a custom URL. You can also choose whether the link opens in the same tab or a new tab. If you're using the warm vintage style, you can also customize the watermark text that appears subtly behind the countdown. And from here, you can fine-tune the design even more. You can adjust the colors and font sizes for the header, subheader, numbers, labels, and expired message, so everything stays consistent with your store. You can also customize the background by adding your own image. You can upload an image from your device, choose from your files, or explore free images from Shopify. Then, adjust the overlay color and opacity so your background image stays clear while keeping your text easy to read. Finally, once everything looks the way you want, you can position the timer wherever it makes the most sense and easily move it around your layout by dragging and dropping the block. That's it. In just a few minutes, you can create a fully customized countdown timer that matches your store and helps drive more conversions.